Alright, welcome to this video in presentation, and I want to quickly show you everything you'll be getting in the 20 plus money printing bundle. Alright, you get access to introduction of everything, you get right instruction on how to get the very best from the course. Right, all the courses are uploaded on Google Drive and as well as on Telegram, while some are on Google Doc. So, and this course also comes with a discussion group and a support and mentorship group where you can ask questions as well as ask questions as you are learning. So that is very big help. So it's not just you're not just getting the courses, you're also getting mentorship and support. Now here are the 20 plus money printing courses that you get. See them everywhere. You'll be getting digital product creation kit, smartphone video creation course, alternate paper solution, Google Ads mastery course, graphic design course, WhatsApp marketing course, TikTok crash course, complete blogging course, game development course, complete Facebook and Instagram course, smartphone video editing course, YouTube channel organization and management course, ultimate web design course, smartphone graphic design course, Amazon KDP book publishing course, unlimited browsing data hack for all network is available. Premium app, over 1000 plus premium apps, alright, is available as well. Mobile app creation course, alright, lead generation, organic lead generation, secret blueprints available. Mini importation course is also the content writing course, Facebook ad course, AI portrait course is there, AI art and animation creation is also there. Right, this course is fully loaded. What have access to my premium birthday mentorship program where I teach you everything I know about WhatsApp marketing, sales closing, alright, branding, everything from scratch. Those are everything you get in 20 money printing courses, and as you can see, everything you are getting here is even more than 20. You are seeing 25 and more will also be added with time. So you are not just getting only 20 plus, you are even getting far more than what you are even paying for. And not only this 20 plus money printing course, you also get access to more bonuses. Like you also get access to my mentorship community on Telegram. You get my seller integration course as a bonus, copywriting skill mastery as a bonus for digital marketing blueprints. You also get social media management course. You also get Shark GPT monetization course. You also get sell like a pro course. Right, in case you want to resell this course, you also learn lots of strategies on how to resell and make lots of money for yourself. And that is not all. The beauty about it is that you not just only get access to this course and also learn and help yourself make money, you also be able to resell this package, alright, everything, including the courses and all the bonuses, and you make lots of money for yourself and keep all the 100% profit for yourself. And not just that, I also provide you all the creatives you need. As you can see, there is a place where I uploaded different flyers, 1 or 2 to 3 flyers where you can use to promote this course and make money for yourself. I also make provision for copies, as you can see, where I uploaded some 2 to 3 different hard copies that you can use to promote this course either on WhatsApp, anywhere you want to do, as well as testimonials. Alright, so if you are yet to get access to these 20 plus money printing courses that come with 100% resale right by Nigerian Digital, my advice to you right now is for you to take action right now and get started. And congratulations, I will see you on the inside. Don't be left behind.